Important thing that has made me happy is Oliver Lutaaya. She was among the first to say, I committed the charges. So now that has exonerated government, because it has always been a talk, Oliver Lutaaya jailed for nothing. Oliver Lutaaya, now she has said I committed the offenses. So since she has not wasted court time, it is still my appeal to court. Though I'm not supposed to appeal to court, but I'm appealing to the Lord to descend into the heads of the chairperson of the court martial to give these young people a lenient sentence. Then we shall start from there. But I will not stop at that. Still, I will appeal to my chairman, who is my president, His Excellency Musanyufu, just like he has pardoned so many others previously, to give them a pardon, so that these young people can be incorporated in society and they contribute to the country's development.